That's a hard one.
Yeah. You like Vets at all, or?
Not really. I mean, I like the ZR1. I like the Z06, but I don't like the stock one.
Yeah, no. Once you see the Z06 and the ZR1, the stock one looks so just,
yeah,
missing something. Missing a lot, actually.
Yeah. I'd say the Koenigsegg CCXR.
Yeah, that's a nice car.
I really like that. And then the Lambo LP670-4. It's a nice one. If I had to choose.
You had to choose one car. So you're allowed to have one car. Any car you want. Don't worry about the money. Which one would you pick?
Bugatti Veyron Super Sport.
Oh yeah. I haven't seen that. I've heard of it, but I haven't seen it.
It's like an all carbon fiber. The bottom part of it's like orange. Got like orange rims. 263 top speed, I think.
Oh really?
Yeah. It's really nice.
Sick.
They tested it on, I think they tested it on Top Gear, I'm not sure. Crazy.
How many, they made that limited, or?
I think, altogether, out of all the Veyron models, I think they made 300. I think they made 20 of the Super Sport. Yeah, something like that. So it's pretty rare. I know the guy down here has one-off custom, like Sang Blue is a 1 of 1. It's got blue carbon fiber and hood and everything. It's the quarter panels and above the rims are chrome. It's really nice. And that's the guy that owns I think he owns half of the Orlando Sanford Airport.
Right.
So